Welcome back to the channel. In this quick episode we are back in the Renault Modus phase 2. As you can see, it's my partner seat, very lovely seat covers. And today we are basically replacing a broken side vent. I got this off eBay. They range between 11 to 20 quid, so you know, easy to find and very easy to actually do as well. So all you're going to need is a trim remover tool, a replacement part, and that's about it. And if you don't have a trim remover tool, you can buy one. Put a link in the description, or to be honest, you can pull it out with your hand as well if you don't want to do a purchase just for the sake of doing this fix. We are missing the button here, so basically that's kind of went bad. So if you're not using tool, just point it downward, and then what you can do is you can just grab this and pull. What it will do is mostly remove the metal frame, but then you can pull on the rest and it comes out. So if we look at the part, because that's the best way to see how to remove it, we've got clips, one there, one there, one there, and two at the top. As you can see, those one are the ones that clip the most into it. The side one are kind of flexible and mostly, you know, not doing much. So essentially what we want to do is try to remove two on one side, and then the rest should come easily. Okay, so the one I recommend to go for is essentially the one that is roughly here. So if you look at our part, this is it. Oh, sorry. This is it like that. So essentially we want to aim for this guy here on the side. As you can see, it's basically right with that line here. So take your trim remover tool like this. Like I said, with your hand just grab from here, but trim remover tool, get into there. There we go. So just get the rest, and then you should be able to just grab. A bit more on this side. Well, it's obviously easier when you don't hold the camera. And there we go. So basically, as you can see, we got everything coming out nicely. It's a bit tricky to shake it a bit, but as you can see, basically the part goes up like that to attach to the vent. There we go. Old one out. New one. All you have to do, a bit at an angle when you enter it, you can see. Then we go flat, go up, feel your way around. When you're nicely lined up, just a little bash and you're all done. Here we go. Job done. Very easy. Other sides work the same, and to be fair, a lot of side vent on car are kind of pop out, put back in, but you know. A good way to do is get the replacement part, look at it, and then figure out how it comes off. But anyway, if you know to do the job on the Renault Modus, now you know. And yeah, see you in the next one.